Retire as millionaire. How exciting. It is theoretically true that you can retire as millionaire if you begin invest at 25 years old. From 25 years old to 65 years old, monthly invest only $214 in a mutual fund at 9% return per year. The gain of 40 years investment, 1 million. Are these numbers realistic? Yes. Over the period of 87 years, S&P 500 index has actually yielded about 10% per year. Look at this historical return table. Large company stocks, S&P 500 is 500 largest companies stocks in the U.S. The geometry mean is 9.7%, is around 10%. Let's do some calculation in Excel to approve the statement. We go to this scenario. The investment time horizon is from 25 to 65 years old. The years of investment is 40. And monthly invest $214 in a mutual fund with 9% annual return. So let's figure out the ending amount. In Excel, use future value formula. Type equal FV left parenthesis rate here monthly, because the annual return is 9%. So monthly is divided by 12. Period 40 years times 12, because the period is monthly. And PV, present value, 0. PNT is monthly 214, because it's money flow out from our pocket, so put a minus sign before, and present value 0, and type at the end of the period. So because they are default setting in Excel, so we don't need to type anything. Just close the parenthesis, return. Oh, this a little bit over 1 million. And the accumulated amount of investment, because we invest 214 monthly, and we invest 40 years times 12. This is the amount of investment. We just eyeball these two numbers. We can tell the ratio of gain and cost is 10 times. Oh, that's a good deal. So how about one-time investment of this amount? Maybe someone got lucky and he inherited $28,000 when he was 25 years old. He just put the money in SP 500 index fund. So let's figure out what he will get when he reach 65 years old. F future value rate over 9% over 12 period 40 times 12 and one-time investment. That means monthly investment is 0 and one-time investment is your present value, and this is 28,000 because the money flowed out of your pocket. Put a negative sign before this value and close the parenthesis. Return, whoa, is barely over 1 million, and the accumulated amount of investment here is 28,000, just 28,000, yeah. One-time investment, 28,000. So we calculate the ratio of this investment. The gain and cost ratio, wow, is 36 times. A much better deal than this one. This is approved by Warren Buffett that one-time investment is a better deal. But we usually face the dilemma that when we have time, we don't have money. When we have money, we don't have time. So let's look at this scenario. Suppose I am 50 years old. In the past, when I was younger, I don't have money to investment. Now I am 50 years old. I have some money. I want to investment to prepare for my retirement. But I don't have a long time horizon of investment. Only 15 years. I want to know how much I need to invest monthly in a mutual fund with expected 9% annual return, so I can retire as millionaire when I reach 65 years old. So here, what is my monthly return? Use the formula PMT. Rate here is 9% over 12. Period 15 years. 15 times 12. Remember the period here is months, and present value. Present value 0. Future value. Future value. I want to retire as millionaire, so type million. This is my goal. 60. Close the parenthesis. Return. Oh, the monthly investment is 2,060, around 2,600. 2,600. So accumulate investment in this case is monthly amount times 15 years times 12 months. And let's check the ending amount is million. And use the formula FV. The rate 9% over 12. Period 15 years times 12. A monthly investment is this number. And present value 0 type at the end of period. So we don't need to type, just close the parenthesis. Oh, 1 million. Exactly. Let's look at this scenario. How about one-time investment? And because one-time investment is equal to accumulate investment, I just invest one time and no more, no monthly. So here use the, actually here we have two formula to use, but we just use PV present value formula. Rate 9% over 12, periods 15 times 12, PMT 0, future value million. Close the parenthesis, enter. Wow, we need to invest one time 260, around 260,000. That means you might need to sell your house. Okay, let's calculate here to make sure we got 1 million for this one-time investment. Future value rate 9% over 12. Period times 15 times 12. PMT 0, monthly investment 0. Present value, this one. And then close the parenthesis, return. Oh, yes, 1 million. Summarize. If you want to retire as millionaire when you are 65 years old, and if you are 25 years old, monthly investment is this small amount. And if you are 55 years old, this amount much larger. Okay, this is the time value of money. Okay, that's all.